a nation. Right now I'm on Latvian royal wedding in Malpils castle. Amazing place, amazing week I had. Like right now you can hear singing Issak Nightingale. He's like my favorite Russian singer, and it's like so the story behind this is like he came to Riga to have a concert, and I have noticed this like a month ago, and it was for me like, oh cool, he's coming to Latvia, whoa shit, I should listen to him. Like week after, one of my snap, we're having some salute. So in a week after, a good friend of mine invited me, just so, hey, just there's a Facebook event, hey boy, just come visit the event, I'm organizing it. And for me it was like, wow girl, cool, you're organizing like Issak Nightingale event. And I was like, oh cool. And after 2 weeks she was like, oh Edgar, you know, do you have like driver's license? And I was like, sure girl, I have some. And she went to, oh, we need a driver because for 2 days because Issak is coming and we have lost driver. And for me it was like, shit, I'm gonna take to the event my favorite Russian singer and his crew, and I'm gonna make some money with this, and I'm gonna spend some amazing time with them. And this is like, wow, this is, you know, those times when you cannot express your emotions by words, but this is truly amazing. Just make wishes, do the things in life that you love, and it'll be good. Like Issak Nightingale is, wow, amazing. Like his crew. Right now I'm in the blanket because he was like, oh damn, you have a nice suit, can I wear it? He's wearing my suit now, and wow, absolutely magical. I have no words to express my feelings right now. It's like, whoa, amazing. I'm really exhausted, but really happy at the same moment. Like, life gives you presents like this, and God bless you all. Yeah, amazing week I had, and with amazing people. See you soon, girl.